Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Axis Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Axis Bank login and hit the search. Make sure guys it takes you to the official link www.axisbank.com. Just click on that first link. Now guys, you'll be taken to the official website of Axis Bank. Scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the login or register button. For now I'm clicking on login button. If you don't have any account of Axis Bank, just click on register button to create a new account. Again guys, you'll be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of Axis Bank. Over here you just need to enter your login ID or your customer ID. Similarly, you need to enter your password over here. In case if you forgot your customer ID, just click on Forgot Customer ID to enable your ID. Or in case if you forgot your password, just click on Forgot Password to recover your password. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon to see your password. And once you click on Login button, you will be easily access your account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.